I have been getting a ton of questions recently from EOS community members about the upcoming referendum tool that's going live on the EOS mainnet very, very soon. And these questions have really been about what is referendum and how will it affect me as an EOS token holder? Well, allow me to walk you through it. So you can think of referendum as an election. You know, in your country, whether you have local elections or national elections where you vote for someone like the president or the prime minister, that's a form of referendum. You ask the citizens of the country in that case, rather than token holders, you ask the citizens to get together and determine, hey, who is going to be our leader? Who are we going to elect as representatives to represent us in the government? Now, referendum on EOS is similar, but instead of voting on who is going to lead your country or who is going to represent you, you actually get to vote directly on real issues, real tech upgrades, and other very exciting things that could potentially be added to the EOS mainnet. Now, let me give you an example. The Worker Proposal Fund, which is a proposed 4% inflation fund that's currently collecting EOS right now on the mainnet, can't actually be touched or used or burned or anything until we go through referendum. That means that it's up to you, the EOS community, the EOS token holders, to determine what is done with that inflation. Do we burn those tokens completely? Do we burn half of them and delegate the other half to the Worker Proposal Fund? Do we burn them all and then start collecting new ones for the Worker Proposal Fund? Whatever we end up doing will be your decision, the decision of the EOS token holders. And that's something that is amazing because it's never really happened on any other blockchain. Now, what's so cool about this, beyond being able to vote on important issues like referendum or important tech upgrades in the future like Rex or multi-threading or any of these other amazing features that are coming to the EOS mainnet, beyond all of that, this is a very important step in further decentralizing governance on the EOS mainnet. Now, right now, it's the block producers on the network, mainly the top 21 block producers, that process transactions and sort of control how things are going to go. Now, they listen to their voters, they listen to their constituents, and generally represent them well. But what if we could diversify that? What if we could expand and decentralize that governance beyond those block producers to the actual EOS community? Well, that's what the referendum tool is. That's what it enables. It enables you, the token holder, whether you have 1 token, 100 tokens, or 100,000 tokens. It enables you to vote on incredibly important issues, upgrades, different things like that will all be hitting the mainnet very, very soon. Now, you can see why I'm so excited about this. As an EOS token holder myself, I can't wait to have this additional input in the governance process. Whether it's things like tech upgrades like Rex or, hey, should we have ECAF as a thing on the mainnet? These are all important issues that the block producers can't decide alone, and we will need your help once the referendum tool is live to actually make these decisions. So I hope that gives you some idea of what the referendum tool is. Now, other block producers have been incredibly instrumental in actually building this tool, mainly EOS Canada, and have integrated with other services like blocks.io in order to test it on the mainnet now. So, once everything is finalized and it's actually implemented, you'll be able to vote, and I'll be sure to make an update video then to walk you through the process and the important issues that are up for vote. But until then, I hope you have a better understanding of referendum and can go spread the word to your fellow EOS token holders about their upcoming responsibility in the very first EOS referendum. Go EOS!